People install many apps and their phone becomes slow, full and confusing. Duplicate photos, unused apps, random download storage fills up and they don't know what is safe to delete. You can clean it for them, sit with them for 20 minutes, remove junk files, delete duplicates, organize folders and free up storage space. Post in community groups. I help clean and organize your phone so it becomes fast again. Charge $10 to $25 per phone. Just 25 phones in a month equals $250 to $625. No technical skill, just basic phone usage people don't want to deal with. Comment if your storage is always full, share with someone whose phone is slow, and follow for more business ideas.